Hello my crafty friends, this is Monica from Allsewpetite. Welcome back to my channel. This week we are doing another quick scrap busting project. This time we are making a lip balm holder. It is very easy, very quick. As you can see, you can make them in a bunch of colors. They look so cute. They go really well as a matching set with last week's project where I showed you how to make this mini snap kitchen pouch. Just look at that. I have a free printable template for you which you can download from my website. You can find the link to my blog post in the description box below. If you are ready to create your own version of this lip balm holder, then grab your scraps and let's get started. To begin, go ahead and cut out your template. Make sure your test me calibration square is correct before you cut your fabric. I like to punch holes where are those tiny dots, so it's easier to mark them on fabric. Using your template, you can cut out your fabric. Then on the wrong side of the fabric, you can mark those two dots. Like so. Then you can punch holes. What you can do next is to take a ruler and cut your fabric between those two holes. So I have a tiny rotary cutter, which is perfect for that. If you didn't cut to the end, you can always snip it with your scissors if you are scared to go too far. And now we can sew our one and only seam. So fold your holder in half, line up the edges. If you want, you can clip them together. Like so. Then you can take this to the machine and simply sew a box around all sides, about 2 millimeters from the edge. If you've got any uneven edges, go ahead and trim them just to make sure everything looks nice and neat. And just like that, you finished making your lip balm holder. Well done! I hope you enjoyed this project. I would love to see your version, so please tag me at Allsewpetite on social media. Otherwise, I shall see you in the next video. Stay crafty, friends. Bye!